Okay, guys, we will be using the trend trading strategy to analyze these three assets and we will check out how it's going to turn out by the end of the day. So, if you are willing to make some profitable trades today, then you should watch this video to the end so that you will have a better understanding of how I am using this strategy to pick up my trading signals, and of course how you too can do it on your own, okay, whenever you are trading, and you also get the opportunity to get some trading signals which you can actually go into right away. But before I go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love this content, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. If you have any question at all, kindly drop your question in the comment section or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. Okay, so quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. So, like I said, we will be using the trend trading strategy to analyze these three assets, and of course, we're going to see the outcome of these particular trading activities at the end of the day. Okay, so quickly, let's go straight into it. We'll be starting with next 1200. I'm on 15-minute time frame using the 3M trend Milka trading indicator. Just the way we have seen this actually got to this support zone, and of course it was unable to break out from there. So it's changed from a downtrend into an uptrend, that is the yellow color. Okay, so it started buying right from there, broke out from this resistance zone, and also broke out from this particular one to get to a new resistance zone. Okay, so it has not been able to break out from here, so it's trying to go back on downtrend. So I expect this to go back on downtrend, most especially once it breaks out from here. Okay, once it breaks out from here, then it should go fully on downtrend right from there, so you should watch out for that. And of course, if that happens, then definitely we expect it to get to this region easily, and if it breaks out from there, then it should get to this level, okay, easily also. Okay, so we all should watch out for that. Okay, so now let's move on to the next asset. The next asset is going to be Gamex 999, still on 15-minute time frame, and of course this was also on downtrend before, but after getting to this support zone, it started an uptrend which came to an end at this resistance. So you can see it has tried to sell first and went back up, and of course this time around is trying to go down again. Once it breaks out below this trend line, then definitely we are most likely to have more selling opportunity right from there. And of course, I expect it to be getting to this region thereafter. Okay, and of course, if it breaks out from there, we are most likely to find it around here. Okay, so we all should watch out for that. Okay, so this might be a good selling opportunity for us today. Okay, so make sure you understand this and follow up with it so that you can jump into the trade as soon as it's selling. Okay, now the next asset is going to be FX volume 80. Okay, this is FX volume 80. This had been on downtrend for a while. Okay, after getting to this resistance, it was unable to break out from there, and of course, so it started a selling right from here after giving us a downtrend signal, and as you can see, it sold till it got to this particular support region. Okay, so it has not been able to break out from the support region, so it's trying to go back on uptrend, and we expect more buying opportunity right from there. Okay, so it has given us an uptrend already, and of course it is also giving us a buy signal around here, so this is going to buy more. And of course, guys, we expect it to get to this region easily. And if it breaks out from there, then it should get to this particular spot. Don't worry, more detailed signals will be given within the Telegram channel. So you can also follow up with that if you are also within the Telegram channel. Okay, so this should be an amazing buying opportunity for us on FX volume 80. Okay, so you guys should watch out for that. Okay, so guys, I will be stopping right here. Okay, if you love this content, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. And if you have any question at all, please drop your question down there in the comment section and I will be there to reply. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless.